everyone, welcome to Liberable. Behind me I have something very special, a Lexus GS300 which Andrew Lawing has kindly gave to me today to do a quick review on for you. I want to thank Dylan Curry for coming out to do some beautiful drone footage, show him the traffic, and there's Andrew standing. Say hi Andrew. Let's go for a spin and see what's what. Guys, so what is a GS300? Well, it's a 2JZ GE engine, 3 liter, naturally aspirated in South Africa. There were different variants. There was a GTE, and that was basically the 2JZ engine turbocharged, twin turbocharged, which the engine that's found in the Toyota Supra. There then was a GS400 and a GS430 for the American market, 4.4 liter V8 and a 4.3 liter V8 respectively. This one I'm driving makes 168 kilowatt. However, Andrew fitted, the owner of this car fitted a turbocharger, an intercooler and a downpipe and full BC coilovers, resulting in 217 kilowatt at 0.4 bar boost and over 230 kilowatt at 0.7 bar boost. Let's see what that feels like. Okay guys, so we have it in second gear and boost. Oh, he's transformed this car basically. I have to say, the BC coilovers really make the car feel. Oh, let's gear it down. Oh, through the bends it doesn't even feel like a big car at all. It feels small. That's because the car is so low. Oh. I mean, right-hander, it moves around a bit. I mean, people disrespect these cars saying it's so big and it's so heavy, but I mean with simple small things. Wow, I'm absolutely, there's a car coming on. Oh my word. It really is wonderfully set up, this car. Wow, can't believe that he managed to, and you put it into drive and settle down, and I mean, that I was doing that with the aircon on. Wow. So what I love most about this car, I think, is, look, we're climbing a hill. I'm thinking, why is it not gearing? The personality change of the car under boost is so much different to the car on boost. It sounds, listen to the change. Flipping heck. It changes. Gosh, absolutely love the sound. And a lot of people actually asked him why the car doesn't perform so well on Killarney. It's because it's automatic. Unfortunately, you can only put so much power through a torque converter before it goes, I've given up on being an automatic gearbox. So that's the only reason basically why the car isn't doing very well, because in a gear it is extremely strong. Yo, this is like the perfect car. It can cruise. The fuel consumption is horrendous according to the owner, but if it I'm sorry, That is worth all the fuel consumption in the world. I can overtake on a hill. Oh, absolutely fabulous car. When Andrew actually got in touch with me and asked if I can feature this car, I didn't know what to expect much, because when you go through the forums and things like that, you get a lot of people saying, oh, it's an old man's car, it's this, it's that. But in person, it's absolutely beautiful with these wheels on and the lowering kit, and it transformed the car. I actually wanted to do a scene where I was sitting down next to the car with the camera looking at me, just looking at the car, but I didn't know how to add it into the video. But it's like JDM, it's so JDM, and the dials, the seats, the comfort, it's whenever I feature cars, I'm in love with the cars, because you know, each car has their own personality, and when you criticize a car on being, I don't like this car for that, it's done like blah 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 blah, you forget about what the core purpose is of the car. This is a 4-door saloon car, and it's crunching numbers of 217 kilowatt plus with a booster and up. So really impressive feat here, what Andrew has accomplished with this car. And I must add, a lot of the things on this car he did himself. He's actually getting a Mega Squad set up soon, and maybe we can do an update in the future of where the car's been now and where the car's going to. As soon as we get to a bit of a stop, I'm trying to do a nice start for you guys to get an impression of what the car is like, what acceleration wise. There's a 3.2 V6 bucky in front of me that's very slow. So yeah. Okay guys, so we're gonna try and do a start quickly. Wow! Yo, the theatre! It feels so well put together. Oh, such a different car, such a different experience. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And there's the word you guys like, wow. I think this car has the biggest wow out of. Wow, it's absolutely fabulous is the word. Guys, so this is Andrew. Thank you so much, bro.
Yeah,
I appreciate it greatly. We're in the video in the car. Fabulous car.
Thank you.
Really a different approach to the mainstream nowadays. I have to commend you. Wonderful car.
Oh, thank you.
Before we go, what turbo are you running?
It's a Rev 9 6266. It's an eBay special.
Okay, intercooler?
That's a Chinese intercooler. You see where we're going with this.
But okay, it does the trick. Guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and check Andrew out on his various social media platforms. I'll tag everything down in the description box below. And yeah, be free, be you. Liberable out.